waterfall. Oh, that's beautiful. See if I can walk over there without tripping myself. That's the real accomplishment of the day. Trying not to fall. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, I need to remember which way the camera goes. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. And then like down here is a little creek going down. And then this is our group today.
I think your footage is a little more stable than mine now.
Except I keep
but
putting
Kenny did this.
it's smooth.
Sort of, yeah. Oh, it's a wibbly.
No, it's funny. This is like, you gotta take a group picture.
Okay. This is nice. Wow.
It's a cool bus.
You made it all the way up here with that. Amazing.
This will be on the shakier side.
Yeah.
It's not too bad, yeah. Oh, I'm breathing so heavy. Trying to zoom in on them. They're trying to set up our porta potty situation. Seems like he's struggling. Wow.
There's no place. They have no room. Oh, baby.
It's gonna be a tight squeeze, guys, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So you're gonna hug this side. Yep.
That's crazy.
Tight squeeze.
Wisms. I'm sorry?
Hello?
You just got literal Morse code.
Yeah.
Holy goodness.
That's a tight squeeze if I've ever seen one.
And he's got the smallest one here.
Yeah. Yeah, mom's is definitely wider. So you're gonna kind of go into the bush a little bit.
Just watch your tires when they stick it out.
High five with the mirrors.
Hey,
we're
come here.
good. Gucci.
You're done. That'll give us up in long.
I got a couple of leases for friends. I was so busy trying to see that I forgot to change the camera to see. I meant to turn the camera to show
you're just
us
looking at-
passing, and I'm just sitting there like.
That's so fixated. It's fine.
I saw him go through it at least. Perfectly elevator music is so You got a little rough.
Looks like it's
Holy but a goodie. Yeah, we're supposed to give numbers like out the window.
So he's gonna put. There's 3 of us behind, so you're gonna put 2,
Yeah.
and the person at the end puts a fist.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So here to the right, you can see a waterfall.
Wow.
I picked the perfect time to actually start recording.
Yeah.
Right when we reach the waterfall. Let's see if I can record.
I'm thinking maybe air down right here, guys. What do you think?
Wow.
Yeah, I was
So
wondering.
we're trying to air down.
Yeah, his
That's
is.
helping his. It's quiet.
Well, we're trying to adjust one of them so that they can all be adjusted the same. So, but his is really slow because he's got an adapter. If you zoom in here,
Let me get on the
the
other
way this rim is, he has to add this little adapter. And this little adapter makes it where the air comes out slower.
It's like a perfect third.
And then this one, we have these little. We have these things that blow air out to lower the thing and to lower the tires. And it's just an orchestra at this point.
Dude, all four at the same time, and it has a little gate.
That's so rad.
It's so rad. And then when he pumps air in it, same thing. He finishes so fast. And plus, the pump that he has is a really good quality pump. It's fast.
Okay.
Okay, so we're getting some sausage.
Little cap, yeah.
There's a little cat here.
Look at how blue the sky is too.
It's a nice day.
Beautiful.